Hello, today we're going to be touring 406 Vallejo. We are at the exterior of the building where you'll find views of the Bay Bridge and the Transamerica building. This building is located on the base of the Vallejo steps. The parking spot available for rent is over to the right. And let's take a look at the front of the entrance to this amazing condominium. Beautiful gardens. Lots of natural light. It's located on a very quiet street, and this is a very quiet building as well. Intercom system to the right. Packages are left behind the gate, so very secure. And this is the unit here. It's located on the top floor. Walking distance to many fantastic restaurants, coffee houses. There's also laundry machines in the basement. Okay, we are almost here. You walk into this nice hallway here, and we're going to start this tour off towards the back where you'll see one full bath here. You have a toilet. This back door leads to the rear egress where the laundry and you can access parking. Tub and shower combined, big shower head. Nice sliding glass door. You have a toilet, medicine cabinet, sink, towel bar. And walking over here to the right is a beautiful kitchen. This is an eat-in kitchen. Plenty of room for a kitchen island or breakfast table. You have a stainless refrigerator, gas range, hood. Lots of cabinet and counter space, dishwasher, sink, and right behind me you have additional cabinet and counter space. Okay, walking down the hall just a little bit here to the right is the first bedroom. This one is located off the street. Both bedrooms are pretty equal in size. You have a nice big closet in here with custom shelving. Just outside this bedroom is a nice deep closet with additional shelving here. So good amounts of storage space. This is the second bedroom. This bedroom faces south, so you have tons of natural light and maximum sun exposure throughout the day. Beautiful French doors here. This is the view from this bedroom. You have another small closet here with deep shelves. And over here is the living room. As you can see, this room gets a ton of natural sunlight throughout the day. Beautiful wood-like floors, very quiet unit, and spectacular views. If you're interested in this unit, please visit us, rentalsnsf.com. Thanks.